Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to enable pop-up notifications for calls on Messenger. If you've ever missed an incoming call because the notification didn't stand out, this simple setting can make a huge difference. By the end of this video, you'll be able to see your calls pop up right on your screen, even if you're using another app. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your phone's settings. This is where all the background controls for your apps and features live. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, from the list of installed apps, look for Messenger and select it. This will take you into Messenger's specific settings page. Now tap on Notifications. This is where you can control exactly how Messenger alerts you. Inside the Notifications menu, go ahead and select Notification Categories. These categories break down the types of alerts you can receive from Messenger, from messages to calls and more. Find the category labeled Calls and tap on it. This is the setting that controls how incoming Messenger calls are displayed to you. Finally, look for the option called Show as Pop-up and toggle it on. Once this is activated, your Messenger calls will instantly appear as a pop-up window on your screen, making it far easier to notice and answer right away. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted Messenger so that call notifications show up as pop-ups, just like a regular phone call would. This setting is especially useful if you're someone who multitasks a lot on your phone or tends to miss the smaller banner notifications. To quickly recap, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, select Messenger, tap Notifications, select Notification Categories, choose Calls, and toggle on Show as Pop-up. With this feature turned on, you'll never have to worry about overlooking an important Messenger call again. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow along for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.